Lower your level and do it. Circle away from the hook. Away from the hook. There you go. Climb the rope. Climb the rope.
If you want.
I haven't recorded a national one.
That's fine.
Heavy hand. Snap. Snap. Snap it and go. Lower your level.
Yeah.
Climb the rope. Climb the rope.
They're also Panthers.
Circle in. Circle in. Circle in. Circle in. Sprawl! Sprawl! Put your foot on the mat! Foot on the mat! Cross face! Put your foot down. Crawl forward, crawl forward, crawl forward.
Hey, work up.
Crawl forward.
Work up.
Get your wrists out. Crawl forward. Short time.
Get through.
Keep going, keep going.
Turn, turn. Go. Go.
Get him.
Go behind, go behind, go behind. Follow the wrist to the leg. Hey, you got the wrist. Throw it out, go to the leg.
Green.
Defer.
Green first to red. Now, red is.
Good pressure, forward pressure here, okay?
CP. CP. They score.
Cross face, there you go.
Big crowd.
Follow the wrist to the leg.
Come on, Dave.
You gotta go, you're losing, kid, let's move. You're losing. Go. Follow the wrist to the legs.
Come on, Des.
Stop.
You.
Come on, Des.
Come on, minute 16, let's go, move him, move him. All right, you got the inside tie, now use it, use it.
Did you get any good pictures of me?
There you go, get to the 2-on-1. Leg attacks, come on.
Harder than it looks.
Lower your level, Dane. Go, drive!
Hey, let's go 6'5". Let's go 6'5".
Lower your level and go. Lower your level and go.
Come on, Des.
Come on, Dane.
Get up.
Stand.
Get up.
Out.
You want neutral or you want to go down? Go neutral. You're losing by 10. You got to score. Let's score here. Come on. You gotta lower your level. You go straight into him, you're going down. Lower your level. Pull that wrist straight down. Sprawl, sprawl.
Hey, get in. Let's go. Get in.
Lower your level. Come on, Dane. You gotta score.
Right.
You're losing. You
score.
are losing.
Come on, Des.
Get to an underhook, yes. Use the underhook when you get to it.
Get in and go. Get in and go. Get him.
Circle in. Listen, Dane, this is not lowering your level. This is down.
There we go.
Go.
Do this. You're not doing nothing.